Welcome back to my Cali style shuffle series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to go over the sideways running man. Alright, in order to do a sideways running man, it is not necessary that you already have the Cali style running man, since they are quite different, and the sideways running man is more so based on the concept of just a regular kind of running man. So for the sideways running man, this is what it's going to look like. And what you notice when I do the sideways running man, one of the things that are very important while you're doing this are your arms. So in order to give it that powerful effect, you need to use your arms with your sideways running man. So the first step for a sideways running man is just like your regular running man, where you have your perch, triangle, or flamingo position. So starting with step one, you're going to lift your leg, your right leg, in the perch position. And when you bring it down, it's very similar to a normal running man. So with your normal running man, you would go from perch position and drop it. And as you drop it, you slide your foot to the back at the same time. So with your sideways running man, it's the same kind of concept where you lift your leg, and when you drop it, you're going to make sure that your left leg slides out and that you land with a bit of a bend on your knees. So if you do your sideways running man without the bend in the knees, it doesn't look the same and it doesn't give you the same full effect. So I'm gonna face the back so that you guys can see what this looks like, but it's very simple, as it's just two simple steps: perch position and then your drop. So lift your leg, perch position, sideways running man. Then you're gonna lift your left leg and then drop. Lift your right, drop, left, drop, right, drop, left, drop. So what I do is I will bring my opposite arm up when I'm in the perch position, and when I drop, I just move my arm from here to here. So from the front to the side. And then when I bring up my other leg, it's gonna be the same thing: front, side. So you're doing the opposite arms, but then you're opening your arm when you drop that running man. So starting with our right, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna put that all together just a little bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and ta-da! So you have now mastered the sideways running man. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!